Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make 5 layers cheesecake. I'm using for this recipe 2 sauces. One is berry medley sauce and the other is strawberry sauce. You have the link there to learn how to make them. After you make them, you take half a teaspoon gelatin and to that add 1 tablespoon water and let the gelatin bloom. Then add it to a 1 cup sauce and put it on the stove. If you are using 2 cups of sauce, just double the amount of gelatin and water. Then mix it and let it thicken a bit. After that, turn off the heat and let it cool down, and then put it in the fridge and use it after it's completely cooled down. I'm using a cheesecake recipe. See my tutorial on how to make a cheesecake. But I'm using quarter the amount because I want it thinner. I've made 5 of those and I put them in the freezer until I'm ready. I'll start first with the strawberry sauce with gelatin. You have the recipe at the beginning of the video. Then a layer of cake. Then berry medley sauce with gelatin. It's the same recipe for both of them. This is 4th layer of cake. And this is the final layer. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe, write a comment and hit the notification bell. It will help my channel. And thank you for watching.